Awesome. So first of all, we're just going to start with your experience of COA, and then we're going to move into strategic and anything that you need to progress further forward. I've seen your recent success, so well done on your sales. So
Oh, yeah.
tell me, how did that feel to make those sales?
It feels great. Just knowing that there's a more streamlined process to, creating information, well, having information, putting it in somewhere where your clients can access it and knowing how to market it and, in an automated fashion is great. And, doing all the work, setting it up and then actually having people, purchase is cool.
Amazing. And what would you say was the best thing since you joined COA? What did you enjoy the most about COA?
Man, it's it's hard to say just one thing. I do like the coaches like yourself having the accountability. Um, wow, it's hard to pin down just one thing though. But really, because I end up like thinking about all the other like things that aren't even intentional in the program, like just having the clarity of knowing what to do is major, because sometimes you think you got the picture, but you really don't. So just going through the program, you gain a lot of clarity on, how a business actually works, and it's broken down in a very simple way to where you can, pick up and see what's really important. So you're focusing your energy in the right direction versus, just being all over the place like I was previously and didn't realize it.
So where were you before joining, Colin? Where were you before?
Well, I had a program that was, low ticket offer. Wasn't able to consistently market it because I was just posting on social media, playing that game, which it really gets you nowhere fast. Especially if you're someone like me that has been on social media for a while. Kind of everybody on your friends list has kind of already seen your stuff. So it's now you're playing a game of trying to gain more followers, which is a whole different strategy than just posting for people to sign up for your program. So you just end up in a cycle, just posting, not knowing when to post, how to post, what to post. So I had a program before, but just being able to get people in started to become a challenge. So and I had Facebook ads previously. I was paying way too much for them because I didn't have the accountability there as well, and the proper coaching around that. So, but that's what I have now.
Amazing. And where are you today?
Well, I have around 15 clients now. Um, I'm still working on getting more in, but it's only been around 3 to 4 months since I've been in COA. So I think that I'm getting to a point where it's about to actually speed up a lot more than it has been, because I was just getting everything set up and things of that nature. But um, yeah, I just had someone sign up for the full investment last week, and two other clients that I got here recently. So
How much was that, Colin, in total sales?
2,500 for the one I paid in full. Another one I did on the installment plan, and the other one he's actually about to pay in full today. Well, tomorrow. So that'll be another 2,500 in total.
Amazing. Well done. I think that's amazing. Congrats. I think it is just beautiful. And it's beautiful how you're moving through the whole process, and you're applying diligently, you're taking on board and taking up a level. And just one last question, Colin. What would you say to someone new that wants to join COA, but they're on the edge? What would you tell them?
Get off the edge and just do it. Nothing is going to change if you stay in the same cycle you're doing. If you're not getting the results, it's for a reason. It's not for no reason. There's a reason behind it. So you try to wait on the perfect program. You're looking all over the place and everything. Not going to get anywhere fast either. You already see it. You're already here. So make the choice. Join a program and get the results.
Amazing. I love it, love it, love it, love it, Colin. And what's the next thing you're working on right now? So what's the focus?